welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to talk about changing up some of the fonts a little bit more, adding in some of the elements. We're also going to go into just a little bit more detail on about how to share it when you finish. All right, let's get started. Let's go ahead and look at our elements over here. I'm going to click over here on this side for elements, and then I have different ones over here that I can choose. I want to type in sandcastle. We need a sandcastle on our beach. And I can choose graphics, videos, photos, audio. I'm going to go over here and click See All. Again, remember these are the pro ones, the ones that have the little crown, but there's plenty of free ones. I like this one right here, so I'm going to click on it and see what it looks like when I put it in here. To grab it and move it, you just click on it with your mouse and you move it wherever you want it to go. If I want to make it a little smaller, I'm going to click right here. I'm going to left click. I'm going to go down. I want to make it bigger, just the same thing. Left click and hold it as you move it around. All right, a little bit smaller, I think, and I'll move it over. Okay, maybe we need some birds on our beach, so let's go and type in bird. And we'll move down here. Let's type in beach. We want the birds that live on the beach, and let's find some. Oh, there's a free one right there. Let's see what that looks like. So I'm going to click on it. I don't really like that. That's too many. So when I click on it, if I see the little, this comes up right here, and I just hit delete. Let's try these. Oh yeah, I like those much better. So I'm going to put them up here, just like that. All right, let's change up our text a little bit. Let's add a little text to it. I'm going to click over here on my T. I can add a title, a subtitle, a heading. I'm going to go big, so I'm going to go with title right here. And I'm going to say Remy's Day at the Beach. Now, I don't like the way it looks. It's too big, so I am going to click up here, and I'm going to change my font. So I'm going to click at this box right here. I'm going to click on that. And you can look down here at all these different fonts you have. Let's check out Quicksand. Quicksand's pretty good. It's still too big, so I'm going to left click and I'm going to drag it down and make it a little smaller. And then I am going to move it over here above Remy's head. I can also make it smaller right here. I can click and choose, or I can just go down by just a couple. Okay. All right, now when I'm happy with my design, I showed you just a little bit of this the other day, and I want to send it, download it, whatever. I'm going to click up here to share. Now I'm going to click download, and it wants to download it as a PNG. If I want to download it as something else, I can come over here and choose whatever I want to download it as. I'm going to leave it on PNG. And then I'm going to click the download button. And down here you see it'll pop up and it'll come over here and download. When it finishes, it'll pop up. You can save it wherever you would like to save it at. I don't want to save it, so I'm going to hit cancel. Let's see. Remember, like and subscribe. If there's anything that you want me to cover, make sure you put it in the comments, and I'll be glad to go over it. And hope you join me for my next video. And thanks for watching.